Hello guys! Tama po ba ang magmura? Ano lang po ba ang dapat na lumalabas sa ating mga bibig? Alamin po natin mula sa Bible. According to the Bible, don't use foul or abusive language. Let everything you say be good and helpful, so that your words will be encouragement to those who hear them. Ephesians 4 verse 29. This verse highlights the power of our words and the impact they can have on those around us. People of God, our words should have the power to inspire and motivate others to be their best selves. Hindi po natin alam kung ano ang pinagdadaanan ng isang tao. Let us speak with love and let them feel valued. Hindi po natin alam, pangiti-ngiti lang po yan, pero deep inside, sobrang bigat na po ng nararamdaman yan. Please be kind. Only speak with life. Think before you speak. Powerful po ang declaration. Maging maingat po tayo. Please, wag po nating gawin normal ang pagmumura. Yun lang po. God bless you.